Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically accept friend requests and add friends on Snapchat. So go to the plus button here on chat, and here you can add friends, and here you'll be able to see who's added you. Select view 5 more and select the accept one on the person that added you and you want to accept it. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can add or accept friend requests. To add, you can search it or you can see it in your contacts. But that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And I would like to remind you that you can also scan the QR code. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.